The dashboard you're seeing was created with Claude AI in just one click. Now let's see how you can create this type of interactive dashboard with Claude AI. First, attach your Excel sheet and paste this prompt into Claude AI. For even better results, also include the VBA prompt to generate a 100% working VBA code. If you need this prompt or the VBA code, simply comment Claude and I'll share it with you. As soon as you press Enter, Claude AI will generate the complete VBA code. Simply copy the generated code. Now open your Excel workbook. Go to the Developer tab and click Visual Basic. Next, click Insert Module. Paste the copied VBA code into the module. Now close the VBA editor. Let's insert our magic button. Go to Insert, Shapes, choose the rounded rectangle and place it anywhere on your worksheet. Now it's time to assign the macro. Right-click the button and select Assign Macro. Choose the generated macro and click OK. Now click the button, and that's the magic. Your complete dashboard is created automatically. It's fully dynamic, so whenever you click any slicer, all the charts and KPIs update instantly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Excel automation tips.